Today we are going to practice rotating objects 180 degrees around the origin on the coordinate plane. And the first thing that we want to do is identify the current coordinates of the object in question. Let's start with triangle ABC. Point A is currently located at +5, +3. Point B is currently located at +8, +10. Point C is currently located at +11 and +3. Now, whenever rotating any object 180 degrees around the origin, all we have to simply do is take each value inside our parentheses here and write its opposite integer. So instead of writing +5, let's write -5. Instead of +3, let's write -3. For point B, we're going to write, instead of +8, +10, we're going to change each one of those to negatives. And for point C, instead of writing 11,3, we're going to write -11, -3. Now let's identify the location of these points. A is going to be located at -5 to -3. So we go over 5, down 3. That's a new location of A. For the new location of B, we're going to go to the left 8 and down 10. So we go to the left 8, and then we go down 10. That's the new B. And for the new location of C, we're going to go to the left 11 and down 3. So we go to -11 and down 3. Now, if we connect these points, this will be our transformed shape from its original, 180 degrees around the origin. Now, let's do the same thing for triangle XYZ. So first, we want to identify the current coordinates of XYZ. For point X, we are currently at -10, +3. For point Y, we are currently at -10 and +10. And for point Z, we are currently at -5, +3. So we are going to rotate this 180 degrees by taking each value and writing its opposite integer. So we're going to change -10 to +10, but notice 3 is positive, so we have to change that to -3. For Y, we have -10, +10. This -10 will become positive, and this +10 will become negative. And for point Z, we're going to change this -5 to +5, and this +3 will become -3. Now that we have our new locations, let's plot them. So for point X, we're going to go to +10, -3, which is right here. That's the new X. Point Y is going to be to the right 10 and down 10. So we're going to go to +10 and down 10. That's the new Y. And for Z, we're going to go to the right 5 and down 3, which would be right here. Now let's connect our points. So this is the original location of XYZ, and this is a 180 degree rotation about the origin. And that's all you really have to do in rotating objects around the coordinate plane 180 degrees.